Hello guys, this is the another day of my English speaking practice and now I was editing a video for my main channel because I'm just try to making daily blog for my main channel only in Hindi because of if I don't upload on that channel then how can I make revenue from that channel because I have 150k subscriber on that channel. This is why I am generating revenue from that channel. But without uploading, how can I get more revenue? Okay, this is why I have started creating daily blog, and I am trying. I am trying to post daily on that channel, and still I was editing for my main channel because edit a long video it takes so much time. This is why I am making this video. This is my English school practice video because it's been more than 5 months I am practicing regularly straightly without skipping any day, and still you can see this much fluency I have gained over the time. This is not the miracle for me, and it's not been I can see my fluency within days, within months. It's been more than 5 or 6 months straightly, and I am from Hindi background, and this much fluency is enough for me. Not enough, I can't say it is enough for me, but yes, when I feel like okay, I am speaking in English only, and I have developed my mind and I have trained my mind to think in English because without thinking in English you can't speak. If you always think like okay, I will translate Hindi to English, I will translate this to this, you can't speak because translating takes time. But when you speak to someone else, there is no time to translate into your mind. This is why you need to develop and you need to train your mind to think in English. And how you can do that? You can do that by making and creating the surroundings of yourself in English only. And first of all, you have to know the name which is surrounded by you in English. Then you can speak about the things which is surrounded by you only in English. If you are not doing anything, let's suppose I am in my room and there is someone outside my room and I am feeling nervous and I am feeling some kind of sigh. Instead of speaking, I always do thinking in my mind, how can I speak in English and how can I express then express this scenario or story or this article in English. If I am looking at something, I try to describe in English into my mind. But when I feel like okay, I am all alone, there is no one who is going to judge me, I try to speak it out loud like I am doing. Because without speaking out loud, you can't be better in English because it's a kind of language, not a kind of language, it's a language. This is why you need to speak in English if you want to communicate with people. But most of the time we think like okay, I can understand English, but when it's time to speak with people, when it's time to communicate with people, we feel stuck. Our mind get blank. You know what? Why? Because we did not you know have much practice. It requires more practice than you than your expectation. This is why I always, not always, when I feel like okay, I have time to speak, and I capture myself when I have, or when I feel like okay, it's time to record myself straightly. But all day long I try to think in English. Literally I'm saying to you. But, or I can say how I can developing my mind, because it's a tank. If you are not filling your tank, how can you turn on the tap? And if you turn on the tap, No water will going to running out your tap if you don't fill the tank. Tank is your mind, tap is your mouth. Are you getting my point? First of all, you have to, make a habit, and you have to build a habit of listening English only. I'm not saying listen anything. I just want to share with you my real experience. Just try to listen what in which you are interested. Like if you interested in comedy, just try to listen only comedy videos. If you are interested in anything, cooking, dancing, whatever, just try to listen those content only in English, like podcast. It may be music as well, whatever may be motivational videos, and some kind of random videos, and some kind of audio as well. Just try to listen in English. This is the easy and simple way to develop your mind towards English. This is how I really do. So I was, I didn't export my video till now for my main channel. And if I talk about the time is 12:20 a.m. at night, and I was thirsty. So this is why I stand up, and I was thinking like, okay, let's record myself. I didn't, you know, drink water till now, but I'm making this video. So first of all, I am going to the kitchen so that I can drink some water. After drinking water, I will continue this video. Okay, so wait for a second. So let's continue this video so that I can complete my task of the day, because without completing my video, I can't sleep. And it's my habit to complete this video, because without making video, I feel like there is something missing, and I can't sleep without making video of English is being practiced. This is why I, on the daily basis, try to complete the task of the day by EOD, end of the day. If I talk about tomorrow, it's second Saturday tomorrow. It's 9th of May. It's Lok Adalat in Delhi. So I have few challans I have to settle in the National Lok Adalat on 19th of May. 9th of May, not 19th of May. Okay. In the Lok Adalat, I have booked some slots, and I have downloaded the tokens, and I will go tomorrow for settlement the challans. And definitely I will show you in my upcoming vlog how we can settle the challans of vehicles when fine has been issued by the police. There are so many kinds of fines we face when we drive or ride on the road. We face sometimes, let's suppose we are in hurry and we don't see the red light. Sometimes we jump red light, and sometimes we face the fine of without POC, without seat belt, without helmet. There are so many kinds of challans we face sometimes when we violate the rules of Motor Vehicle Act. This is why. And in Delhi, there is no one home in Delhi. I don't think there is no one home in Delhi in which there is no vehicle. Each house in Delhi and each home in Delhi, and in most of the home in Delhi, each members have their own vehicle, even at least bike, because everyone is going to their job, their college, their schools, and whenever baby. This is why challans are so important. If you are just worrying about how we can earn through an advocate, through challans you can make enough money to survive in this profession. And there are so many other ways you can start making documents. Yes, being an advocate, There are so many ways to earn money. Likewise, I am doing as well. I didn't, reject any work. If someone is coming to me for any queries, I have all the solutions. Even I don't know how we can do that, how I can do that for him. But still, one thing I know that I can make that work happen for him because I'm a kind of person who is willing to work hard. And I also want to know that work, how I can make that work happens. I also want to know because in future that will be easy for me to do again. Okay, this is why I don't reject any kind of work. In most of the time I feel like, okay, if I can do this, then okay, I agree, I accept that work. But when I feel like, okay, it's kind of work, I if I engage in that work, it's it will take my lots of time, so then I reject that kind of work. And it is all about till now, and I am just about to go to sleep, and there is nothing to say with you now. And I will catch you at the Saket Court tomorrow on National Lok Adalat. And definitely, I will not going to make video in Saket Court tomorrow as well in English because of I am trying to make video in Hindi for my main channel, and I am making this video, and I am uploading videos on this channel only for the practice purpose of mine. Okay, if you are watching this video, because I know no one is watching my video because of I am practicing with myself, and I am not teaching you, I am not guiding you, but somehow I am sharing my experience, how I am gaining fluency, what I exactly do in a day to gain fluency, and how much I have improved. And you can judge me by my fluency as well, and how I think, and how I get pauses. I'm not perfect, but yes, I try to become perfect. And it's a kind of steps I am just stepping on step by step. So it is all about till now, and I am just going to getting sleep because without getting enough sleep I feel stressed sometimes. So I am going to getting sleep. Bye. Catch you tomorrow. See you.